Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can track your order on Temu. Now, for you to track your order on Temu, firstly you'll have to make sure that your device is connected to the internet and then open up the Temu application. After you've opened up the Temu application, log into your account. Now, after you've logged into your account, you'll be redirected to the home page of Temu. Now, to track your order which you have already placed, firstly you'll have to go to your profile. Now, to go to your profile, on the bottom of your screen you'll see this menu. Now, on this menu or this navigation bar, click on this U option which will lead you to your profile. Now, once you've clicked on that option, this profile page will appear on your screen. Now, on this profile page, simply click on this Your Orders option. After you click on the Your Orders option, the orders you have placed will be appeared on this page. Now, on this page, on the top of your screen, you'll see various options consisting of processing, shipped, delivered, and returns. Now, to track your order, you can simply navigate to these certain pages and see which phase of the delivery your order is in. So if your order is being processed, it will be on this page. If your order is being shipped, it will be on this page. If your order is delivered or if your order is returned, it will be on this page. I hope this video helped you to track your order in Temu. Don't forget to like, share and comment on the video, and do subscribe to the channel for more such amazing tutorials. Thank you for watching.